This is not a Milwaukee tool, but it runs on Milwaukee batteries. It was a fraction of the price on the Amazon compared to the actual Milwaukee tool. So that means one of two things. This was either a real steal or it's about to fry my batteries. So today we're going to find out if this is some nice junk or just junk. The 18-volt cordless tire inflator that works with Milwaukee batteries. And this one is a Levo Walney and made in China. So we're going to open up the box. She's Milwaukee Red. Kind of looks like a drill. Ooh, I love peeling that stuff. Comes with a air hose, some instructions that we're not going to read, a cardboard box, and then some kind of rubber condom type thing, and then different attachments for blowing up balls and that kind of thing. So we're going to take a genuine Milwaukee battery, plug that in, and immediately it turns on. That's weird. It does have a power button, so you can turn it off. That's good. We'll put the condom onto the hose, and then I guess we'll turn around and screw this in. I'll probably never use these. Not into blowing up my balls. Slide this over. Ooh, isn't that fancy? So we got all plugged in, and I did play around a little bit. So long press the power button, turns it on, automatic to 36 degrees or 36 psi for automobile, because there's a little automobile here. Now to change the mode, your motorcycles is automatic 32, your bicycles 30, and your balls are 8. Now if you want to change that, you just press the up or down buttons, and this little button here is an LED work light for at night. There's a red flashing if you're in trouble. And then it goes even faster. And since I don't have any flat tires, I'm thinking I'm going to flatten a tire. I'm just going to release all the air, and then we're going to try this out. So now we have a completely flat tire. I just snap that on. Really easy to do. And I know it's flat because it's not completely round. So it's flat on one side. So let's pump this up and see how long it takes. Turn it on, select the mode. It also tells you how much pressure is in your tire at the time. 2 minutes, we're at 11.5, 12.5 pounds. 4 minutes, 23 pounds. 5 minutes, 28.5 pounds. 6 minutes, 32.5 pounds. We're almost there. 6 minutes, 48 seconds. At 36 pounds, it shut off on its own. Now let's see how much battery that took. This is a Red Lithium XC 5.0. Used no bars on the battery. 6 minutes. As far as I'm concerned, this one's a buy. Good quality little unit. Yeah, she's a little warm, but not too bad. Manufacturer actually says after 10 minutes of use, let it sit for 10 minutes. And I think they just want to not have to enact their warranty, right? But yes, if you need something like this, it'd be good for camping, blowing up your balls. Hey, Ma, Dan's blowing up his balls again. Or, you know, air mattresses and floaty toys, summer's around the corner. This is the thing. This actually works really well. I'm glad I bought it. And yes, I did buy it. There'll be an Amazon affiliate link in the description and maybe a couple other places. I don't know. Make sure to go to NiceJunk.ca, get your good quality merchandise there. And don't forget, right now we're running 15% off site-wide. use the coupon code NiceJunk.15. Yes, I've had some European viewers say, hey, I wish we could buy it. I am actually working on a solution for that right away. If I can get that up in the next few days, that'll be great. And what I will do is, because you missed out on the NiceJunk.15 coupon code, I will make sure I do something special for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. If you want me to test any other tools, bleep bloop in the comments what you want me to test, and I will test it for you. And that was some nice junk.
Forged in fire, cut to the core. Hidden copper, always worth more.